Ever pondered about what's on your plate? It's time to delve into the world of nutrition and understand how to rebalance it for a healthier lifestyle. The process of rebalancing nutrition is like a symphony, where each instrument, or in this case, each step plays a vital role in creating a harmonious balance. The first step to rebalance nutrition is to reset the adrenals and the general adaptive syndrome, also known as GAS. Stress and poor nutrition can throw your adrenals off balance, leading to a host of health concerns. The key here is to manage stress and provide the body with the right nutrients to support adrenal health. Next, it's time to replenish nutrition for organs, glands, or systems weakness. A nutrient-rich diet is crucial to maintain the health and function of various organs and systems in your body. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet. The third step is to reduce infective organisms in the body. A healthy diet plays a vital role in maintaining a strong immune system, which helps combat harmful bacteria and viruses. Limiting the intake of refined sugar can significantly enhance the immune system's function. Moving on, replace enzymes and/or hydrochloric acid to aid digestion, assimilation, and elimination. These are vital for breaking down food into nutrients, which your body can then use for energy, growth, and cell repair. Lastly, restore proper bowel flora to optimize colon function. A healthy gut flora not only aids digestion, but also plays a significant role in your overall health. Consuming probiotics and fiber-rich foods can help maintain a healthy gut flora. Now, it's crucial to remember that about 20% of the US population never eats vegetables, and 40% rarely consumes fruit or fruit juices. A staggering 80% of the population never consumes whole grains or high-fiber foods. These statistics are alarming considering the vital role these foods play in our nutrition. The standard American diet, often grown on depleted soils, has left many deficient in essential nutrients. As far back as 1936, a US Senate document noted that 95% of Americans are deficient in one or more major minerals and many trace minerals essential for bone mineralization. In sum, rebalancing nutrition involves resetting adrenals, replenishing nutrition, reducing harmful organisms, replacing vital enzymes, and restoring proper bowel flora. So take a moment to reflect on what's on your plate. Your journey to rebalancing your nutrition starts now. Like, share, and subscribe, please.